we're going to be talking about dirty car mats. How are we going to get these clean? The interior is kind of a terrible place. We put our feet in there, our animals go in there, all this dirt and debris gets tracked in, and how are we going to get this cleaned up? Stay tuned, I'm going to show you how. It's a dirty job, but somebody's got to do it. Our interior floor, our dirty floor mats, our dirty carpeting, all that grit and grime. How are we going to get that cleaned up? Well, I'm going to show you some of the products, and then I'm going to go right into my process of how I clean an interior floor and car mats. So, you know, there's some tools that I'll use, and it's really quite simple. We probably all have these things laying around the house. One thing is just a garbage bag, something that can hold some garbage. So as we go through, we can pick out any items that might be just junk that are laying on the bottom of the floor. Now, I always keep that extra bag around because you never know when you're going to find loose change or maybe an earring or a pair of sunglasses underneath the seat, and them need to kind of get bagged up and put separate. We do not want to be throwing away that personal property. Some of the other tools that I use, I have an assortment of brushes, and these brushes will come in real handy for some of the deep cleaning. And obviously we're going to need a shop vac for sure, right? But we have a variety of brushes that'll help agitate that carpeting. I also have some cleaners. This one here is by Suds Lab. It's an interior cleaner. It's concentrated, and that'll help us get some of this grime out. And of course, we've got some Carpet Fresh. And there's a variety of brands out there that will help in lifting some of that dirt and debris out. Now, we can take it one step further and we can go and have a steam cleaner or a carpet extractor. But for today's purpose, we're just gonna go through and give it a real good shop vac, suck all this debris out, and give it a little freshening up. So stay tuned. So I'm gonna remove this. So this is how I detail my car mats and my carpeted floor inside a vehicle. It's not always the same process, depending on the level of how dirty or how clean it is. But you kind of get an idea of the process. So thank you again for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and come back for more tips and tricks.